Yenina ya bro pepepe o, yenina ya bro pepepe. NPP o, NDC o, yenina ya bro pepepe o. Yenina ya bro pepepe o, yenina ya bro pepepe. NPP o, NDC o, yenina ya bro pepepe o. Abuza for mom na makwaba de Magana and Sam TV, so bomb so best subscribe to the channel. Or be like video now, I share with thoughts or comment section or one of my favorite arguments here they am for. It's if by chance of person contribute to the studio worker. Numbers me go as on or retire to yena any budget. So the money me frame Mr. President, me was me besom. Na another day there be many breast on kupa. YEA. You're a Basintale, mo fanato money. Ya chechire Ghana say you be member bunu na dwuma ye and now say chechire because political reasons. Yeah, into 2024 election million Bosha give John Dramani Mahama any Basintale any NDC for the sense of be creating Juma ama Ghana for nyuma ye. Sisi amene wo kasa yi why for apamo nipa 300 na nipa 300 no raising to omode pamo nipa 300 no ene say ye for 2024 enti likely to nyina be NPP for sebi ba ko for na ya brewana enuma bi se na politicians ni bi ya sebi eya na Ghana for adwen bone de ma wo mo enuma bi se nipa 300 na ya pamo so mo kwete na fi no ye kan kwate so omo so ye abusa for mo ye breadwinners of their family on bone be nko no mbeye to deserve this kind of punishment. Almost serve from 2024, 2025, 2026 now all because you for more 2024 until like something na be NPP for. Now so the year for 2024 year for more man ye more the party card the budget man the requirements not party card in count. Ukra Ghana card in Kwandia you have the qualification to be part of the job. So the year for more man ya have party card. Ye for mo dwuma yankasa wo hye party ye atade ti bra party bi atade ti kofie da bi na anya bi ambese mbusa wo omo ye pam wo no se bi omo firi Azerbaijan na me pacho omo firi Herzegovina na ana omo ye Nigeria for ana omo firi Serbia e je be hawo no da bi ye John Dramani Mahama the great of all respect through Basintale the mo ye no e ye ni wusen a bed na Ghana for best serve under 1 year for over 1 year approaching 2 years and later now be catch am say I run a form kan a different government era until mun kofi no mkoda wo won say nti omo kan ho e dey baba for say ben no sanko fa opam bi omo na breadwinners of their family now when na sanko for ekofa lawyer but we as nobody can try petition e dey come Ghana Labour Commission and omo ko fa lawyer and a lawyer and a first statement and a first letter edema why it's your Basintale and Sakai. I think for Munim say Basintale underground check come lawyer and NPP ni it's Basintale instructed lawyer said no man responded to the letter na information in Sakanon. When the lawyer has actually letter be come why second letter sabai. Second letter the choir no afraid the name about Basintale as some of the catcher say he didn't sack them on his own authority. Name chief of staff and mom pamos handphone. You regular zebra. You know what say food doing now ye jogging de bia and conference make us over 2028 wo. Munya tumia na mama was na mo hukuru kuntan sem potro. Mun bugana for. You don't respect the ordinary Ghanaian. But more of this Ghana for ya na to abama mam be to me. Now omo pamom say omo ya Ghana for omo kwa Ghana card. It's with this character, such a personality. Opeso be Ghana for him. Obaba be 2028. Eya abofo sem na yakoso no. Isi omo ya moye hu se wa ban ni so a se bi un server so be adwuma. Ebeba ne se na ya recruit nkofo. Ya mo letter of appointment. Omo start adwuma over 1 year. Ti omo ka so ntu omo ka oni sika bi adwuma to omo nkofie nkoda. Na alawusam ne say all pam wo no wa ma mo letter of say your pam wo mo what na na pam wo so mo kofie no man say adwuma mo biu. What a disrespect. And you see Basintale, it's always good to see a youth leading the masses. I always believe that. E yes obo say mabunu bi edi edomnani. Remember Basintale, the chief of staff also there and one where you a potential jail candidate. the chief of staff or namoso ede you are a potential jail candidate. Now, hey, these people so do make you ruin your political career. Make catch though. Omo say we nya sesem ofom. And the ya if you say e ka NDC amenye ko ne say wo he no mo ye no a omo ntem eni nyansa e kwan wa pa. I'm sorry. I'm an ordinary Ghanaian. Misu mabuso ni apamo ni bi. Sama mabuso ni apamo no ebia sa sika onya ni ko betim da hwe mi school amana yi. Isi apamo ni misu mitifie. It may kasa. I'm talking from the perspective of an ordinary Ghanaian who feels so hopeless, who feels so restless and so disappointed. Yet twaba mama say mo fa to me emehunahunan. And I said twaba mama say mo mra boy. Is this what you promised the ordinary Ghanaian? Yera Mahama. Me say you are a very fine brain. But when it comes to governance, you lack a whole lot. And the chief of staff right now fukutu sano, they are using you to get what they want. Yera. For their parochial interest, it's one person who make you admission so horrible so that they find means to come out to lead the party. Now, if this is what they want to do, the people are going to rebel. Yet, Krumwa, and I'm also in 2025 pepe, and I'm up among Ghana for over 15,000 Ghanaians. So, and forgetting that these people, they are the breadwinners of their family. Omubu okompa sabi omubu for ji bosia aban bosia wo bosia and the show mu school it is omo school awie na so maba na se aban afọ omadwuma omubo na mo yes aban afọ omadwuma chief of staff yera Julius Zebra wokro ya ana John Dramani Mahama his excellence eyusu e de pam wo mu nyina so mo kofi mo promising jobs mo ba mama sack mo promise say jobs. Mo ba mama disappointment. Adai. Se mo de mo ya mo kono wo kaya. Mo amonso a. Obi so mo mani panen so a. Adai. You are Julius Zebra, team. If you want to be a political scapegoat, be in that lane. Because idea why Ghanaians will never forgive you till you. They will never forgive you. They will never forgive you. Boni be na Ghana for the emo. Boni be na Ghana for the emo. Say you form under NPP's regime. It doesn't change anything because NPP for ba emo. Now kokuku border. You say you on for kokuku border. No me yedimo kokuku border. No munye NPP for me NDC for ba yampa mo omo. Ye ba na for yedimo kokuku border. You say that be munye adwuma. You say that for be account munye adwuma. You be rekotu nkofo because say be Ghana for ntimi ntena visa. Ti be fa nkofo so adwuma. Sale eba mo ebu no. It's bone be na ordinary Ghanaian be ye to deserve this kind of harsh punishment. Edi enkwa. Sabi ube when nyina so nkofo ni din wo mo ase twam ka omo din wo ghost names it's just kana sabi mo be twam ka just kana be fa henfa mo nchiri mu yefsem. Basintale, you see politically you have a very great future. But you see, I saw your bear man say for now say obey honest to the gospel truth. Obey so honest at home. The ordinary Ghanaian no mbofu. The only man say what moto so no kunku na wo kire Ghana. That be the ordinary Ghanaian no mbofu. Eh omo moto so di wati na ahwe. They are all people are omo di wati because we are them omo coins. They don't follow you because omo say they have said wo adwen pama wo. That be. Ye wo kromo a na ko twa ayi kube hono. E dey abase new job loading. You will certain sa. It is said Oba say Oba for new recruitment, new job loading. Now fa the friend say kube no. Now mo try the picture say it me reproduce there the picture na kwesi himfa. You see, because you lack the ideology about governance, because you lack a lot of principles on how to rule the people, how to make the people believe in your ideology, and how to make the people feel so comfortable. You see, you are being so exposed and betrayed anytime at all. It is say pan and I'm Ghana for them prove some of them above one. Say ya. Me pacho me gidi say Basintale de uye kramuni so nko atebi uji credit. Say sa de na me ngi ni say na me expect say 2022 be gina be a campaign. Because you lack credibility, you lack the sense and the knowledge to lead the people. The common Ghana for. Sabi omo opam omo so ye breadwinners of their family. Nti wo pam omo yera Basintale omo nyede no madidi omo yede no mahwe omo busafo. Sikani bre anya ho ya na yam. Because mo mpese sika beba Ghana for ni botom. Esi ense ma make ense ma me make am. Masifom mendam fom enti den Ghana for wesen mete. Na mete Ghana for ya ni de se mbeka che Ghana incentive no muso hu de ekoso. So I'm serving the people.
LI 2231 regulation 5 wo Basintale wo di ye adwuma no ba bia no wa ma kwan se wo engaging crowd services na ade a the term of office after 6 months no you need to regularize them wo manya letters of engagement is 30 terms duration and mode of a year wo Basintale wo ba ye no wo de wano to hunu na apa mo makotena fi a wo ma wo mokrata bia tienie sa nkrofo e kofa lawyer Emma lawyer ne chro Basintale. Lawyer ne chro Basintale no Basintale YEA. And when I say Basintale, I'm using him as a representative of the whole YEA because onu na da e penny oda no. Lawyer ne chro Basintale YEA no. Say enipa 300 na unlawfully they've been discharged without any letter. Or ma omo letter bia. And one so omo ntua omo ka. Etu omo ne na madwuma mi apam omo nso omo gina faako. And they Basintale so ntuamuka wo chro lion a chro first letter come here and we have the first letter here. Mame emfa first letter lawyer na chro ekoma Basintale. Ne why ohunu se ose lawyer ne ye NPP ni. It will instruct a lawyers of why yesema omon responded to the lawyer. Now lawyer no chro second letter. Wode ekọ Basintale YEA. And son of Basintale responded say a chief of staff and a catcher and say ompamon crofo. Yera Julius Debra so wo president di. Say chief of staff ya choro krata say crofo no a wo mo ye yin yempam wo mo nefisi fa wo 2024. Menim so mo ya Azerbaijan fu, so mo firi Kosovo, so mo firi eye Bosnia, so mo firi eye Herzegovina, so mo firi Serbia mintimi hu. Se Montenegro no mufro mitimi hu. Why yesu ontua sa nkrofo ika. Ya file complaint nipa 300 na file complaint akoma Labor Commission. Now Labor Commission Act section 67 extra remuneration which needs to be paid. And why yesu ontua. Labor Commission Act a Labor Commission emma omu issue a year. Someone said Brane appear before them. YEA under the leadership of Basintale said for the past months in what Labor Commission issue a year someone saw more appear no or more appear now appear china. Tienye it Labor Commission issue summons for a year YEA. Now the question we are asking Labor Commission is a Labor Commission momra no settle mo up no. And mamutumi samuba ensure compliance with a labor laws. It had na mutimi fra a YEA. Now for several months, YEA say ma and there is no consequences. And the Labor Commission must share aban mo to mo ye adwuma ma aban na ade ba ye. Section 139 of the Labor Commission Act no. And mamokwan se mbetumi a compare a young YEA obi ambese mo ni bia no. Eti eye dan na muntimi en compare YEA for empanimfo so mo beba na mo ba be ya no de enti Ghana for 300. Yes see entry omoka for the past 1 year. Adentia. Orders of the commission here very enforceable because section 172 mamho kwan says among any orders. So the question we are asking is that why is it that the commission has not issued any enforcement action against YEA because a Ghana for near for moduma. And you see, you terminate you no letter, nothing. Any panel so I call massively. Ye ma womo appointment letter, legitimate appointment letters, and these are samples of the appointment letter. Appointment letter ni ebini. Appointment letter no ebini. YEA appointment letter ye dia mankrofo legitimately they've been appointed, and yet. Basintale so won tuamuka because here Julius Debra so won pam omo no mo nkotene fi no mo for man no nkopem dan 1 year they don't have any letter sacking them by word of mouth ye de apamo Ghana fo so omo nkonko tena fie ewa abra omo kura appointment letter which is stipulating their terms of reference in terms of conditions wo mo de be adwuma under section 63 of the Labours Act unfair termination of contract ewo ho dismissal wo ho. Now there is no lawful cause and yet the Labour Commission is refusing to call YEA to order. Labour Commission is refusing to make any enforcement orders against YEA. Every worker in Ghana has the right to be paid for work done, and for the past 1 year, YEA for adwuma, and so YEA for 300 YEA workers. Basintale so ntua omuka. Omo ye adwuma wo mu kura de dane de from February ne ba na yentua and then MCC ya issue memu. Say na de ben na bank ne na awaboa sikani wo. Tienye. Now, when the CEO allegedly told workers that the chief of staff,